Do you want to know the secret rules of money? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that will reveal the 7 hidden laws governing wealth. These rules, when understood and applied, can unlock the doors to financial freedom and abundance. Rule number 1. Money is a game. That's right, think of money management as a strategic game that requires skills, practice, and a deep understanding of the rules. Just like any other game, the more you know the rules and tactics, the better your chances of winning. Moving on to rule number 2, pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, set aside a portion of your income to save. Make it a priority to invest in your future. The third rule is, make your money work for you. Investing is not just for the rich. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can make your money grow exponentially over time through investments. Rule number 4, avoid debt that doesn't pay you. Make your money a tool that works for you, not against you. If you're going to take on debt, make sure it's for investments that will generate income, not for liabilities that will drain your resources. The 5th rule is, money is a lifelong study. Just like technology, the financial world is always evolving and changing. Make it a habit to learn about money regularly, keep up with market trends, and continue to improve your financial literacy. Rule number 6, understand the power of small amounts. A small leak can sink a great ship, just as small amounts of money, when saved or invested regularly, can accumulate to a substantial sum over time. And finally, rule number 7, don't just aim for money, aim for wealth. Money is just a tool. True wealth includes things like health, relationships, and personal growth, which money can't buy. In summary, the 7 secret rules of money are: 1. Money is a game. 2. Pay yourself first. 1. Make your money work for you. 1. Avoid debt that doesn't pay you. 1. Money is a lifelong study. 1. Understand the power of small amounts. 1. Don't just aim for money, aim for wealth. Remember, understanding these rules is the first step. The next and most crucial step is to apply them in your life. So start today. Make these rules your guiding principles as you navigate the complex world of finance. Your future self will thank you.